Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best LG phones that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The LG G8X is a versatile smartphone designed for multitasking, prominently featuring its innovative dual-screen accessory that provides an additional display. The main screen is a vibrant 6.4-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, delivering rich colors and deep blacks ideal for media consumption. The dual screen can mirror the primary display, allowing users to run two apps simultaneously or adjust each screen's brightness independently. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset and equipped with 6 GB of RAM, the phone ensures smooth performance even with multiple applications running. It offers 128 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2 TB via microSD, accommodating extensive media libraries. Photography is a highlight of the G8X, featuring a dual camera setup with a 12-megapixel main sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, capable of recording in 4K resolution. The 32-megapixel front camera supports high-quality selfies and video calls, with various modes for enhanced photography. A robust 4000 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, complemented by wireless charging capabilities. The device is built for durability, boasting an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance and military standard 810G certification. With features like stereo speakers and a hi-fi quad DAC, the LG G8X is ideal for multimedia enthusiasts seeking versatility and performance in a sleek design. The LG V60 is a high-performance smartphone engineered for an exceptional multimedia experience, featuring a large 6.8-inch OLED full-vision display with a resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels. This display offers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making it perfect for watching videos and gaming. Its sleek design includes a water drop notch that enhances the immersive viewing experience, while the premium glass and metal construction adds a touch of sophistication. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and responsiveness. With 128 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2 TB via microSD, users have ample space for apps, photos, and media. The camera system is a standout feature of the V60, boasting a dual rear setup with a 64-megapixel main sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, capable of capturing stunning images and recording video in up to 4K at 60 frames per second. A 10-megapixel front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls, complete with various modes for enhanced photography. The robust 5000 mAh battery supports fast and wireless charging, providing extensive usage time with up to 21 hours of talk time. The device is equipped with stereo speakers for enhanced audio output, ensuring an immersive sound experience. With an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance and support for 5G connectivity, the LG V60 combines performance, versatility, and durability, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a premium smartphone experience. The LG Wing is an innovative smartphone that redefines user interaction with its distinctive dual-screen design, featuring a unique swivel mechanism that allows the main display to rotate 90 degrees. This innovative setup reveals a secondary 3.9-inch OLED display, enhancing multitasking capabilities and offering a fresh approach to smartphone functionality. The primary 6.8-inch OLED display boasts a Full HD Plus resolution of 2460 by 1080, providing vibrant visuals and an immersive viewing experience. Powering the device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor, accompanied by 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via microSD, ensuring smooth performance for demanding applications and multitasking. The camera system of the LG Wing is robust, featuring a triple-lens rear setup with a 64-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 13-megapixel wide-angle lens. For selfies, it utilizes a pop-up 32-megapixel front camera that combines functionality with a sleek aesthetic. A 4,000 mAh battery ensures the device lasts throughout the day, complemented by fast charging capabilities. Running on Android 10 with LG's custom software, the phone supports various multitasking features, including dual video recording. With an IP54 rating for water and dust resistance and additional functionalities like gimbal mode for stabilized video, the LG Wing caters to users seeking a unique and versatile smartphone experience. The LG Stylo 6 is an appealing mid-range smartphone that balances affordability with practicality, particularly for users who value productivity. It features a generous 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels, offering vibrant colors and excellent viewing angles, perfect for streaming videos and browsing. Powered by the MediaTek Helio P35 processor and equipped with 4 GB of RAM, the device provides smooth performance for everyday tasks and moderate gaming. The internal storage of 64 GB can be expanded via microSD, accommodating ample media and apps. The triple rear camera setup includes a 13-megapixel main sensor, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor, while the 13-megapixel front camera captures detailed selfies, both capable of 1080p video recording. One of the standout features is the integrated stylus, enhancing note-taking and creative tasks, making the LG Stylo 6 ideal for students and professionals alike. The robust 4,000 mAh battery ensures extended usage, lasting up to 2 days on a single charge, while the fingerprint sensor on the back provides convenient security. Running on Android 9 Pie, the phone supports a wide range of apps and functionalities. Additionally, the phone features stereo speakers with DTS:X 3D surround sound, enhancing the audio experience. Overall, the LG Stylo 6 is a practical choice for anyone seeking a large display, stylus capability, and solid battery life without a hefty price tag. The LG Velvet is a striking mid-range smartphone that seamlessly combines style and functionality. Featuring a stunning 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels, it delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making multimedia experiences truly engaging. Under the hood, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor powers the device, ensuring efficient performance for both everyday tasks and gaming. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, users can enjoy smooth multitasking and ample space for apps and media, with the option to expand storage via microSD. The camera system boasts a versatile triple setup, including a 48-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor, alongside a 16-megapixel front-facing camera for high-quality selfies. The phone's design is equally impressive, featuring a premium glass back and a water-drop display for a sleek look. Rated IP68 for dust and water resistance, it withstands various environments. Its robust 4,300 mAh battery supports fast charging, providing all-day usage, while the Android 12 operating system and LG's customizable UX interface enhance the user experience. With support for 5G connectivity and high-resolution audio playback, the LG Velvet is a well-rounded smartphone that stands out for its combination of aesthetics, performance, and advanced features, making it an attractive choice in the competitive mid-range market.